You have 24 hours. Good luck. I'm gonna die. Are you ready for that?
Yeah, sure. Let's go.
Are you ready, Emma? Yes.
Can you pick it up? Stop.
Wait. Come on. Ready? Here you go, Daddy. Are you gonna help me? You do it yourself. I'll help.
Back up, girls.
Okay. All right, ready?
All right.